Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, let's talk about how to use the new Gravity Blox Fruits scripts on mobile and PC, Delta Executor 2025. Now I have a few steps here, using for mobile users, for PC, and the works. Let's start with the mobile users Android. For this one, we have step 1, installing the Delta Executor. I have a video about this one, specifically on how to install them, so please check them out. Anyway, you can download this one by going to the website itself. So basically, allow permissions to install from unknown sources. Go to Settings, Security, Enable, and Unknown Sources. Open the application and allow all permissions, alright? So get the Gravity script. Search Gravity Blox Fruits script 2025 in a trusted script site or a Discord community. Copy the entire script, save it into a Notepad application, or directly paste it on the Delta Executor. Next up, you can launch Roblox and attach the executor. Again, open Roblox, then launch the Blox Fruits. Open the Delta, and basically click Attach. Alright? Wait for the confirmation. It may say attach or injected. Wait for this to go signals and you'll be good to go. Step 4, paste and execute the script. So go to the script tab in Delta, paste the Gravity script and tap Execute. A GUI menu will pop up with Gravity features. That would be Auto Farm, Boost Farm, etc. and Teleport. Now let's talk about the PC Windows users. Now for this one, download the version for Delta Executor. So visit the official website, download the latest version for Windows, disable Windows Defender because sometimes it always blocks this up. So install and open Delta, and basically step 2 is going to be go to Pastebin or GitHub. I suggest GitHub is much more trusted. So look for Gravity Blox Fruits 2025. Copy the entire script code. And then, same drill, you can launch Roblox and inject the executor. First, Roblox and then the Blox Fruits, alright? And then open it up, click inject, and you'll be good to go. You should always wait for the confirmation message. Step 4 for this one, we're gonna paste the Gravity script into the executor window. Hit execute and a GUI menu will show up in the game where you can use this auto farm, teleport, and enable other features. Alright, for the warnings and tips. So always use updated scripts you can find on GitHub or other platforms. Join a Delta Executor Discord. That's really helpful. That's a community. And never share your executor or script data with strangers. Now for final thoughts, the Gravity script for Blox Fruits 2025 is one of the most powerful tools for farming and leveling fast. So with Delta Executor, both mobile and PC, players can enjoy advanced features smoothly. Alright, so if you found this tutorial helpful, consider sharing it with your friends or saving it for later. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.